pudding.
Oh, why didn't you do it?
You didn't say Simon Says.
We're not playing Simon Says.
Then who is?
I don't know.
I'm an actor. I was being dramatic.
Ooh, let me see. Oh, wait, I can't read.
Hey, this wall tastes like dirt.
Hey! Eggman is the worst director I've ever worked with.
A day.
I was just searching for more of that fan fiction of yours. Ooh, Son Amy. Spicy.
Fascinating. And what might this thing be?
That's a bowl.
Ah, yes, a bowl.
I don't have time for that.
Can finally fulfill my lifelong evil dream. Building my own theme park. And what's the deal with his haircut? I feel like I'm getting attacked by a blue pineapple.